Take a moment to check out the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Compass, the upscale, sophisticated compact SUV with advanced safety features to protect your most precious cargo. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.